All right, y'all, welcome back to the channel. So I have a little install video for y'all today. I got these from Sling Mods. I will put the link in the description below. I don't remember the cost, but at the time these might have been about 30 bucks or so. I don't quite remember the cost, but I'll put that also in the description below, and you will see it with the link. So let's get So if y'all remember, I had a video out there kind of talking about some of the things that I don't like about the bike. There were about 5 topics that I wasn't really liking about the bike. I still love the bike. It's my bike. I freaking love it. But there's a couple things that I thought were a little annoying. One of those things being the mirrors. It's kind of hard to see out of them. You can't really see what's around you very easily. You have to definitely turn your head around. So I was reading the comments, and I appreciate everybody that commented, because this is information that you want your new riders to have. And so everybody was saying, check out the what are these, the convex lenses that you can get off of Sling Mods. So I did that, went ahead, ordered them. We're gonna get them installed today, and we're gonna see if we have any type of difference. So let's get on. So this looks like a very simple install. What you're gonna get inside the box, you're gonna get 2 mirrors that come wrapped up. So you're gonna get 2 mirrors. On the back of these, you have some 3M tape. It looks like it's gonna stick right on to your original mirrors. Just looking at it, it looks like you're gonna get about the same type of material here that you're gonna get on the edges. So it should just look very natural and very OEM. What we're gonna do, we're gonna get a little alcohol, we're gonna wipe it, and then we're gonna stick. So very simple, y'all. So before I get these lenses on, I wanted to do a little test for y'all. So as you can see with my camera right here, I'm kind of sitting straight up. I'm not leaning or anything like that. I'm just sitting straight up on the bike. And so from here, what we see is, you see that little pink helmet? That's what we see on the right side. And on the left side, we see my tree. So with the new mirrors installed, we'll see if there's a bigger field of vision. All right, y'all, so I prepped the mirrors. They're nice and clean. Went ahead and peeled off the backing. Now I'm just gonna stick it on, and that's gonna be it, very simple. So we're gonna stick it on, and then we'll see if we see more just from a regular sit down, see if we have a little bit more of a field of vision. And then I'm gonna take y'all out maybe at some other time to do a road test. I won't do that tonight. I want to have some daylight to do that. You see, it's dark. But as far as the sit down test, we're gonna do that. Alrighty, y'all, so here's the moment of truth. I'm sitting back like how I was, just straight up. I went on ahead, adhered both sides, so here we go. And yeah, wow, okay, so you get a much wider view. So I can see the whole bike, I can see the tree back there, I can see the house back there, I see everything. And then on this side, same thing, I see everything. I've got a nice vision. So hopefully that'll help with some of that blind spot and just make you feel a little more safer, a little more secure when you're riding. Just making sure that somebody is not in that blind spot, because these drivers out here, they're crazy, and you want to make sure that you're driving safe. So definitely a nice install. Definitely, it might be another must-have, y'all. So y'all check out the list. I got some lists coming, so I might have another must-haves, and this might be one of those items. So for now, y'all, that's it. Simple install. Hope you enjoy the video. Y'all know what to do. Like, share, subscribe. Ryker fam, tap in. Let's go.